Hello there, Tanmay here. Today's topic is, are you running Facebook ads or not running Facebook ads? So let's quickly go and jump to the topic. So who was the giant when Google started Google ads in the first 6 years of Google ads? It was Amazon. Amazon used Google ads when Google started Google ads feature, and it's not a coincidence that Amazon is a billion-dollar company because it used Google ads to its full extent, and that's why other companies also who used Google ads scale to multi-million-dollar companies. And that's what we are going to talk about. Facebook. When Amazon started using Google ads, the CPC rate was so less and Amazon benefited so much from it. You know, the competition was so less that time, and when competition is less, Google was giving so low CPC and Amazon able to scale at the able to get lots of attention in low price. That's why you should use the new feature when it's in the demand and it's working. Okay, so the CPC is defined, we'll talk about CPC later. So the high competition, when there is high competition, the CPC rate increases, and today you can see if you are spending 0.1 rupees 10 years back on Facebook ads or Google ads, then today you have to spend 1 rupees for same ad set, and after 10 years you have to spend, if you are today spending 5k rupees on Facebook ads and you are getting 10 lakh leads, then after 10 years you will spend 5k rupees on Facebook ads and you will get 5k leads only. So trend is changing and competition is increasing, and as competition increases, Facebook knows that its ads are working, so it will increase its CPC as well. Okay, so next point is that why we should use Facebook ads. So if you are running Facebook ads today, and if your Facebook ads are not working today, because two reasons. First is that the marketing agency to whom you have given this Facebook ads project, the marketing project, doesn't know how to do marketing, and second is that you are expecting early results from Facebook ads, because advertising is a long-term process and Facebook ads may take from 90 days to 150 days and more than 150 days in some cases. So you have to be patient when you are running Facebook ads and don't expect early results. Okay, next is, if you run ads effectively and run Facebook ads wisely, then Facebook ads can benefit you 2 times, 5 times, or maybe in some cases 10 times as well. In Corona time, people were benefited with 10 times more lead generation and 10 times more benefit in Corona time. So it depends upon the time to time and your marketing strategy, but Facebook is giving, if you're spending 1 rupees, then 2 rupees, 4 rupees, 5 rupees in return. So Facebook ads are awesome. Next thing is that if you're thinking, if some people are thinking that if I spend 20k, 30k per month on Facebook ads, 10k, 15k, 30k, and if it will not work, then I will waste my money. Then my question is that if you are not able to risk 20%, 30% money of your business into marketing, into which marketing, that marketing strategy is working, into that strategy you are not able to put 20-30% of your marketing money, then how you can expect growth of your business? Okay, Amazon and other major giant companies used Google ads and they benefited at that time when attention was underpriced, and today the attention is at the average price, and after 10 years it will go more. So start early and win early. Amazon and other big giants who used Google ads at that time and using today knew that their product is good, their business is good, and they use the working strategy, 100% working strategy here, and therefore they won. So if your product is also good and the strategy, Facebook ad strategy, is working good for everybody else and other people also, then your business also can go from one place to another place. If you don't use this type of advertising and don't put and experience how this Facebook ads and all types of social media ads work today, then you definitely will lose in future, because the advertising and technology is changing so far that after 10 years, when AI, crypto and other technology will take over of this advertising thing, then you will totally not understand what is happening and how other businesses are winning, because you don't know right now today that how this advertising, when it's easy, is working. You will definitely lose after 10 years when everything will change, and when next wave of technology will come, you will totally get out of the business, will get pushed out of the business. So if you're accepting, the first step is you have to accept psychologically that this social media advertising is working, and right now it's easy to put your hands and learn all the content, that how it's working, and outsource it to the experts. First, experience, because other people are experiencing it and good results are coming out. So it's very easy, and now is the time. If you do not run Facebook ads and other social media ads so right now, then you'll definitely lose in future. You'll understand the next wave and the future of the technology and advertising only if you have experienced the last form of this technology, i.e. right now. The technology is changing from A to B to C to D, and not from A to D to W to X to W, Z and all. So you have time to understand and learn and experience now, and then it will jump. When it will jump to the next level here, then you'll understand the next level. If you are here and you directly try to understand the third level, fourth level, fifth level, you'll not understand. That's what I want to tell in this video. That's it.